Exercise 145. Building your own intonation sentences. Build your own sentence using everyday words and phrases such as think, hope, nice, really, actually, even, this afternoon, big, small, pretty, and so on. Exercise 146. Regular transition of nouns and verbs. In the list below, change the stress from the first syllable for nouns to the second syllable for verbs. This is a regular, consistent change. Intonation is so powerful that you'll notice that when the stress changes, the pronunciation of the vowels do too. Repeat. An accent. To accent. A concert. To concert. A conflict. To conflict. A contest. To contest. A contract. To contract. A contrast. To contrast. A convert. To convert. A convict. To convict. A default. To default. A desert. To desert. A discharge. To discharge. An envelope. To envelop. An incline. To incline. An influence. To influence. An insert. To insert. An insult. To insult. An object. To object. Perfect. To perfect. A permit. To permit. A present. To present. Produce. To produce. Progress. To progress. A project. To project. A pronoun. To pronounce. A protest. To protest. A rebel. To rebel. A recall. To recall. A record. To record. A reject. To reject. Research. To research. A subject. To subject. A survey. To survey. A suspect. To suspect. Exercise 147. Regular transitions of adjectives and verbs. A different change occurs when you go from an adjective or a noun to a verb. The stress stays in the same place, but the MAT in an adjective is completely reduced to mat, whereas in a verb, it's a full A sound, mate. Repeat. Advocate. To advocate. Animate. To animate. Alternate. To alternate. Appropriate. To appropriate. Approximate. To approximate. Articulate. To articulate. Associate. To associate. Deliberate. To deliberate. Discriminate. To discriminate. Duplicate. To duplicate. Elaborate. To elaborate. An estimate. To estimate. Graduate. To graduate. Intimate. To intimate. Moderate. To moderate. Predicate. To predicate. Separate. To separate. Exercise 148. Regular transition of adjectives and verbs. Mark the intonation or indicate the long vowel on the italicized word, depending which part of speech it is. Pause the CD and mark the proper syllable. See answer key beginning on page 193. Repeat. 1. You need to insert a paragraph here on this newspaper insert. 2. How can you object to this object? 3. I'd like to present you with this present. 4. Would you care to elaborate on his elaborate explanation? 5. The manufacturer couldn't recall if there'd been a recall. 6. The religious convert wanted to convert the world. 7. The political rebels wanted to rebel against the world. 8. The mogul wanted to record a new record for his latest artist. 9. If you perfect your intonation, your accent will be perfect. 10. Due to the drought, the fields didn't produce much produce this year. 11. Unfortunately, City Hall wouldn't permit them to get a permit. 12. Have you heard that your associate is known to associate with gangsters? 13. How much do you estimate that the estimate will be? 14. The facilitator wanted to separate the general topic into separate categories.